Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're not going to be loud because it's 3 in the morning right now and everybody's sleeping. I don't want to wake them up. I've been in bed for 2 hours and I couldn't sleep. My sleep be forgetting about me sometimes. I don't know, and I have shit to do. I was just thinking about my to-do list for tomorrow. Wait, no, today. Yeah, it's today. It's like 3 in the morning right now. Yeah, it's today. And I think about my makeup tools. I'm gonna do some clients' makeup today. I want to make sure that I have enough clean brushes when I'm getting ready to do their face. So everything is on the floor. I'm about to pick them up. Let me show you. Hold on, let me get a chair. Okay, so now I'm back. Let's sit down to wash our brushes. I forgot one more thing. Oh my god, I'm forgetting about every freaking thing. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to get the soap. I can't use this soap in here. I had to get like soap. Hold on. It's so freaking dark. So I get the soap. This is the soap I'm going to use to wash the brushes, and I don't know if y'all can see it, to wash the brushes and the beauty blenders.
This is my favorite brush right here from the makeup chamber. I was gifted, I don't know, I got chosen to something maybe. Anyways, I received them a few months ago in the mail. Like, when it comes to setting my powders, these brushes works like magic for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do without this brush. I'm in a group on Facebook, and if you go on Google and type the makeupchamber.com, you should find them. I haven't texted on there to thank her again. Like, these are perfect. Okay. She also sent a brush cleaner, and I took the little scrubby mat out of it because the machine never works. Let me show y'all a picture. I have spent hours trying to use this machine and it never works. I read all the instructions and I followed them, and I watched so many videos about it and it still don't work. So I gave up and took the scrubby mat out of it. I knew y'all see me using this brush on most of my looks. Well, that's what works for me. I'm about to order the same set. I wish she sell them separate. The set has like 14 pieces. I like the eyeshadow brushes, but this one is my favorite. I wash it every day so I can use it on my looks. Good thing is that she sent a big and a medium one. The other set I'm getting, I'm gonna be using it on my clients. I feel like I need my personal brushes when it comes to stuff like that. Too much be going on out there. As you can see, I'm scrubbing the brush on the cleaner mat. Let me tell y'all something about me. When it comes to washing my brushes, it's crazy. I rather order more brushes than washing my dirty ones. Right now, it's getting out of hand. This needs to stop. Sometimes I feel like I don't have enough brushes. I guess it's a makeup artist thing. Like, we never have enough brushes and makeup. I went to do some people's makeup like 2 weeks ago. I unpacked and leave everything on here dirty and unorganized. This is crazy. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm the only one who doesn't like washing makeup brushes and beauty blenders. This part, makeup artist doesn't really talk about it. This takes a lot of patience. Not just that, like being a makeup artist, period. I wish I could find someone to clean them for me. To watch this, I have to be really bored and late at night. Well, I get most stuff done at night anyways. These ones, I bought them from AliExpress. I love, love, love this. I ordered them in every color they had. Like, those are perfect, you guys. They have some good stuff there and they're not pricey at all. I bought like 12 pieces for $3.55. I get my beauty blenders everywhere, but 95% of them are from City Trends. Sometimes they have good stuff.
Okay, you guys, now we are done. I'm going back to bed. I'm getting so sleepy. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.